have a very exciting project to show you today. I will show you how I painted some sakura branches on my garage, which is at my parents' cottage out of town. I will be calling it a shed because it has a purpose of a shed, and I also don't know how to pronounce garage. Is it garage or garage? So let's call it a shed. Anyway, I have painted this back in 2017 and it's close to 3 years now. And I don't know what's wrong with me. Why do I keep all these projects unfinished for such a long time? But as I mentioned in my plans and inspirations for this year video, I am actually working on clearing out these projects and actually finishing them. So there you have it, that's one of them done and dusted, so I hope you will enjoy this. The actual painting process was so much fun, but it was uncomfortable at some times. First of all, because the placement of my sakura branches, it was quite high, so I had to stand either on a bench or a table to reach it. The second thing was that the shed actually faces the sun for the most of the day, so that means during the summer days it gets very warm next to it, so I was basically sweating most of the time. But by the end of the video you will see that the weather became much cooler, and it actually was raining on the last day when I was painting, so I had to put an umbrella on the roof of the shed so I would be able to finish painting the sakuras. In the end, I think it was worth all the effort and all the struggles because it looks so nice, and I can even say that after 3 years, which is not very often that a person who draws or paints can say about their work, because after a while you just kind of stop liking your piece of artwork. But with this one I feel like it still looks okay, so that's nice. I think I did a very good job then. have it, that's the finished look of the shed slash garage, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will speak to you soon. Stay safe. Bye bye.